Hey guys, I grabbed a small item from Walmart. It's an electronic item, so please stick around, check out the video. We're going to open it, we're going to show it to you, we're going to plug it in, and do a quick demonstration. And thank you guys so much for watching, I hope to see you guys there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I've grabbed several of these J5 Create items in the last few years. They're great items. They work pretty well. Haven't had any issues with them. The last two that I purchased were these guys right here, which is the HDMI to VGA and the VGA to HDMI adapter plus video and audio. So this guy right here is a USB to HDMI multi-monitor adapter. Extend, add multi-displays, audio sound via the HDMI, add extra displays to any computer, installation with a simple USB plug-in. Figure I'd give it a try. So supports 1080p at 60 Hertz resolution up to 2048 by 1152. Ideal for office applications. Add up to 4 adapters for multiple displays in Windows. I think it means up to 4. Probably, it's kind of hard for you guys to see it, but probably, you're going to have to trust me, probably because most computers have an average of 4 USB ports. Unless you have a hub. I'm sure if you have a hub, you could probably put 5 or 6 or, as many to monitor screens as you want. I picked this up specifically for working on editing by allowing me to add it to another screen, maybe mirror the one screen on 2 monitors, or even make it a little easier by splitting the screen. So one screen I have certain apps open, the other screen I have my editing software open. Makes it a little easier. Looks like it wants to open from the bottom. And just open it from the bottom. We're gonna do a quick demonstration. Probably just gonna plug it in real quick. Stop. Mac users, do not plug in until the driver is completely installed. So what is this one? This one is JUA254. So it looks like there's a JUA254, a JUA255, and a JUA214. 214. What's these guys down here? The JUA214 looks like a VGA plug with USB. The JUA255, not sure what that one is. Download the latest drivers from the support page. Do not plug the J5 USB display adapter into your computer until the driver is completely installed. So let's go walk over. I'm going to turn this light off. I'm going to walk over. I'm going to download the driver. Plug it in. And I have this cable running from the TV. We're gonna change that over. Put you guys in a spot that you guys aren't in my way. So let's see. Open up a browser. So I'll have to check out the other two models, the JUA214 and the JUA255. Not sure what the 255 does. Looks like another USB to HDMI. Okay, so instructions in here tell you to, step 1, download the latest driver from J5 Create. And it gives you the actual World Wide Web address. www. Which is www.j5create.com/support.html. The pound JUA254 for this one. It's saying it's not a valid address. Just try support. j5create.com. No, it's taking you to Zendesk. Really? j5. Oh, it's not popping up. Interesting. Oh, it's saying the driver will automatically install on Windows 10. So it doesn't look like we need to do that. So let's just plug this guy in. See what happens. I wanted to show you guys one of these in use real quick, because it's just easier to add it into the video. Okay. So I'm going to change the TV to Blu-ray disc to DVD, because that's what I have that cable plugged into. Because I used to use my computer to play movies on the TV. So the Sony audio video receiver is what I changed. I'm going to take this cable. I'm going to plug it in. See what happens. There you go. Simple, easy. Plug this in for Windows 10, Windows 8, at what looked like Windows 7. Yep, Windows 7, 8.1, and 10. Plug and play. Simple as that. Plug it in. It mirrors the screen onto the TV. So now I can be, the laptop can be on the floor. I can have my keyboard. I can have just a Bluetooth keyboard hooked up to the laptop. It can stay there. I can look at the TV, and mouse is moving on the TV. And if you want, go to settings. I'm gonna probably have to buy a couple more of these. That was really easy. Go to settings, and display would be system. So display, sound, notifications, and power. display, and then you could detect, if you want, identify. So it's at 1 and 2, which both screens are the same at the moment. And then you could change it if you wanted to. So, you know, all the resolutions you could do. Multi-display, duplicate these displays, extend these display, show only on 2, which turns this screen off. If I revert, changes back. Show only on 1, extend these displays. Lost signal. Should be able to I can't remember. Oh, you should be able to extend it in a way where you can literally just scroll your mouse across. When your mouse exits this screen, it goes straight to that screen. We'll have to pick up the other models and give them a look. You know, if you grab, I'm 100% positive that the JUA214 is a VGA plug. So that would be useful if you wanted to say, I have several computer tower monitors in my house that use VGA connections. So that would be useful if I wanted to plug a VGA monitor into this instead. So I'll have to find those. I'll bring them onto the channel for you guys. Just wanted to be pretty quick, informative video. We took it out the box. We showed it in use. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. Select a display below to change the settings for it. Press and hold or select a display to drag it. It's not allowing that, okay. So this one might not be allowing it the way I need it to. Let's go up. There you go. So when you move it to extend these displays, it gives you these options right here. It's not detecting another display though on that. So you might need, instead of the JUA254, you might need the JUA255 to have that feature, which is not a big deal. Yeah, it's not allowing it. But it does work in the sense that if I duplicate the displays, it still allows me to use it on the main monitor, which is nice. So, just a quick video, guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. I just unplugged it. Bring it back over here. We're going to end the video real quick. Works pretty well. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, hanging out with me today. This was 29 bucks. It's not bad at all. I will definitely look up the JUA255 and the other, the 214. And it says you can extend mode, mirror mode, primary mode, and rotate mode for Windows only. But, you know, my laptop down there is pretty old. I could technically just plug the HDMI cable directly into the laptop because that laptop has an HDMI plug on it. I don't remember what side. It's on this side right here. So I can show you what it does real quick. If I plug this cable into it over here. HDMI plug is right there. It immediately pops up on the screen just like that. So what does it allow to do if I just plug it directly into the laptop? But the reason I bought that is not because this one has an HDMI plug. It's for other laptops that do not have an HDMI plug. You can still use the USB to plug into HDMI. That's why I bought it, because I have a couple laptops that are older than this that don't have HDMI plugs. You can duplicate these displays. If I plug it directly into the computer, it allows me to extend the displays. There you go. So if I plug it directly into the computer, there's 1 and 2. So the laptop has all the icons. That one is blank. So if I switch it and apply it, so 2 is first and 1 is second, I apply. There you go. And they both have different photos now. It separates the photos because this is a theme I have installed, so it has like 16 photos or 18 photos, something like that. But now the display is extended. So now if I move the mouse across this screen, the mouse disappears and it shows up right there. So now in order to bring the mouse back over to this side, I would literally have to run it to the edge of the screen and walk it back onto this screen. So plugging it directly into the laptop, it allows me to extend the display instead of duplicating them. Or you can show it only on. So that's the benefit to having a laptop that has an HDMI port. But I actually wanted to show you guys, even though it has an HDMI port, I wanted to quickly show you guys that you can, if you have a computer that only has USB ports, you can buy one of these adapters, plug in a TV or monitor, another HDMI device, and it will work fine. You can even plug this in if you have a USB-C setup. Let me show you real quick. Might as well show you guys before I cut the video off. If you guys have something like this, this is a Desert West. It's got a USB-C plug on this end, and it's got memory card, USB ports. It's got 4 USB ports, another pass-through USB-C. This has an HDMI plug as well as an an Ethernet plug. What you could do, if you wanted to, you can also, because I know this works on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. Plug this guy in here, like that. And then you could always plug this USB port, for an example, into here. But say you bought one of these bricks and it didn't have an HDMI plug. So, you could do this, or just to make it interesting, because I haven't messed with this before, never even thought of it actually. You're gonna see something new. So, unplug the laptop. Bring a power source over just in case. So I'm gonna plug this guy in. I'm gonna plug, this guy is getting power through this. It's super fast charging 2.0. So this little Desert West will actually accept super fast charging. Right there, super fast charging 2.0. Then you plug this guy in, the HDMI cable. Will it mirror? Samsung DeX. Look at that. Unlock my phone. See, there's my phone. 87, 8.
Sees everything you ever wanted. In one moment. Did you capture it?
I'm not sure why it's playing music. There's my phone right there. So let's see. So there you go. That's another thing you could do with something like this, is you can actually plug your phone in. Depending, if you have a Samsung, it's going to activate Samsung DeX. I'm not too sure why it's not showing what's on the phone. Let me unplug this real quick. Disconnect it from external display. Samsung DeX pops up again. I've never actually used the DeX very often, so I'm not sure how it works. But I'm going to end that here. It does open Samsung DeX. It shows, you know, your clock and 4G and everything over here in that corner. Settings, gallery, and all that. I think I have to add an external keyboard or something like that for it to work. But just to show you guys, there's lots of things you guys can do with adapters and technology like this. Makes things interesting. There's all kinds of ways to go about it. So these little adapters, you know, they may be $20, $30, but they'll come in handy for lots of things. If this video was helpful, please let me know that you guys liked it. I do appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, last but not least, I do have a Ulsa Tools link. That link will get you guys 10% off of your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it will provide me 10% off of my next order, Ulsa Tools, as well. If you guys use the link, I do appreciate it. It does help me out. It does allow me to buy tools and stuff for you guys, electronics, stuff like this, cheaper. The Ulsa Tool link will be tools and organization. If you guys need it, use it. It'll save you some money. If you guys don't need it, it's no big deal. I do appreciate all of you guys that do support and use the affiliate links. They do help, no matter how little it is. Last thing is new join button just showed up right here next to my name. If you guys click on that, it will give you guys some options for memberships. The memberships will be going directly back into the channel, so whatever you guys, whatever membership you choose, I will be adding a crap ton more features to every tier of memberships. I just haven't got to it yet. So there will be a lot of perks to having memberships for you guys. If you guys want to do it, I do appreciate it. The membership fees will go directly back to bringing tools to the channel, automotive stuff, more electronics and toys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out the memberships next to my name if you guys want to see anything. You guys have any suggestions for things you'd like to see, let me know. I do appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.
Peace!